I decided to move the car back because I said, in case it gets too cold, I'm sitting right there so I have a perfect view of the TBIT. That.
I've been inside this terminal too.
The new one?
Yeah. So cool.
How'd you get in there?
Tour.
When?
LAX Appreciation Day.
Oh, man.
You missed out on that one.
Yeah, well, I'm sure I could get in there. I know people at the airport.
Why don't you get me in? You're in Congress. Get your old pal in.
The Congress people, they can always go for a tour.
Get me in.
I know, right?
Wait for it. Those are our friends.
John?